What's up my friends, and welcome back to another quick tutorial. Today we'll be using a neat little trick to remove a person from this beach. Some people just have to outstay their welcome and we won't stand for it. First, make sure you have a video that's fairly even in terms of horizontal lines, like a field, a plane, or a beach like this. This is important because we'll be using duplicates to mask the subject. So start off by duplicating the clip on the timeline by holding Alt and dragging it up to the track above. Under Effect Controls, click the pen icon under Opacity. This will allow us to create a mask on the layer. After drawing a mask around the subject, we'll hit the Create Keyframe button next to Mask Path. We'll make the mask follow the subject across the timeline. As time progresses and the mask slips, we'll correct it and move it back into place. If your subject changes shapes, by waving arms for instance, this mask allows you to correct and draw around that as well. In this case, we can get away with using just 4 keyframes. Choose your footage wisely. The more hectic it gets, the less suited it will be. With our mask moving along on the timeline, we are ready to move on to bigger things. In Effect Controls under Mask, check the box for Inverted. Turn up both Mask Expansion and Mask Feather like so. Now we'll head to the clip that's below on the timeline and select it. Under Effect Control, we will drag the horizontal position to the side until our subject is completely gone. It seems our lines don't entirely match up. And if you have a keen eye, or just, eyes, you'll have noticed this stick thing or whatever that's called is a duplicate. I'll move the horizontal position a bit further aside until the duplicate footage is gone. To get the shoreline to line up, we'll scale it up a little and match it with position until we think it's acceptable. There we go. Our subject is gone and we can finally enjoy a well-earned day of quiet and peace at the beach. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already for more vids like this, and we will catch you all on the next one.